Today, we are going to show you how to install the Ditto film feeder to a Canon Pixma Pro-100. Attaching the Ditto multi-sheet film feeders is easy as hanging the install hooks over the back of the printer's top loader. When using small film sheets such as letter and legal size, this works great. When loading larger film sheets, such as 13 by 19, you have two options. First, you can simply push the printer close to a wall, allowing the wall to hold the films in an upright position. Quick, easy, and works wonderfully. Next, with a simple modification to the media support extension, you can flip the extension up to support the film while the Ditto is attached. The modification is simple. It requires removing one small plastic piece from the media support extension, allowing room for the Ditto install hooks. Here's how. First, remove the extension from the printer, being careful not to break the plastic hinge tabs. Pull the left side straight down until free. A little pressure to slightly bend the end of the media loader helps add some space for easy removal. Now flip the extension up. Applying mild pressure again to the left side, push down to free the right side hinge. The extension will come free. This does not require a lot of pressure. When done properly, it removes easily. Be patient. Now, securely clamp down the extension to a stable work surface. Mark where to stop your cutting tool. We use tape as a guide for the jigsaw foot. Carefully cut the small piece off the lower right as shown here. Pay special attention not to damage the hinge peg that holds the extension onto the printer. After the cutting is complete, file down any rough plastic that may remain. Now let's reattach the extension to the printer. Start with the extension in the folded down position. Insert the right side hinge pegs, then with steady light pressure, line up, then push into place the left side hinge. Now flip the extension up, then attach the Ditto. Freehand and you. Together, we got this.